Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out the best method to synchronize Cash App with other financial apps. Now, the best method to synchronize Cash App with other financial apps is indirect but effective. Since Cash App does not natively integrate with many budgeting tools, you can link your connected bank account instead. Transfer funds regularly between Cash App and your bank so that transactions appear in your primary finance app. Use consistent payment notes to make important transactions easier to categorize. Download transactions history periodically if manual uploads are supported. Maintain clear labels in external apps to distinguish Cash App activities from other spending. This workaround creates a reliable financial overview while still allowing you to use Cash App for payments. The key is consistency, not automation. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.